Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share one of the old style traditional Balinese cake called Jajepaso. This is basically a steamed fresh grated coconut, glutinous rice flour and palm sugar covered in bamboo leaves. And this is one of the most popular cake in my hometown, Gianyar. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Here I have a bamboo leaves, and if you don't have, you can always use banana leaf. Fresh grated coconut, glutinous rice flour, some salt, caster sugar, and palm sugar. First, I'm going to slice the palm sugar into thin pieces. So I'm only using half of it, so I'm going to keep another half. Let's put it aside. In the big bowl, let's mix the fresh grated coconut, with the glutinous rice flour, some salt, and caster sugar, and mix well. Make sure everything well combined. So this is already well combined, and now I'm going to prepare the steamer. And let's put it into the bamboo leaves. Here I have some bamboo leaves. So now I'm going to show you how I cover the cake into the bamboo leaves. Here I have 2 pieces bamboo leaf, folded like this, and then add some grated coconut and glutinous rice flour mix. A little bit of the palm sugar, and then cover on the top again. Fold it, fold it, and then just turn it around. Secure with the thin bamboo skewer or thin bamboo stick. So as long as all the cover. So here it is. So now all beans wrapped into bamboo leaves, and I'm going to steam the cake for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let's add the cake as the steamer is ready. So it's been 1 hour. Let's turn off the cooker because the cake is ready. Look at this. Smells so good. We need to cool it down now. Now let's open one. So here we are, Jajapasung. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema. Bye bye.